Hi, we've got something very exciting to show you guys today. We've got Bryce Allen here from the Sound Org, who is the importer of Rega into the United States.
Yeah.
And we have the very first Rega P10 turntable in the United States here in front of us. And it looks kind of like a P8, but there appear to be a whole bunch of differences.
Yeah, that's correct.
The plinth is the same.
Similar, yeah, the same.
Similar material. But the platter, tell me about the platter. This looks like it's made out of ceramic.
Yeah, it's a ceramic
very heavy
oxide platter. So it's the idea is to get a good stiff principle for where the disc is read from.
Right.
So that's the thing. So we use float glass or clever glass on most of the tables that you're aware of. But we've done it on planar 9s and the RP10 in the past.
Right.
And this is an evolution of the same material. Ultimately, it's contoured slightly differently, but it's the same.
And we've still got kind of the weighted perimeter for the great flywheel effect, so speed's really
correct.
pure. And the bearing looks different too.
Yeah,
the inner platter looks different. You said there's a big difference in the bearing.
Yeah. The idea, we've gone to like a one-piece well, which is a lot better. And there's the hardened spindle, and then an equal hardness layer at the bottom. So in all the years we've been doing tables, we've never had to replace one out of worn out.
Right.
Unless somebody's put something strange in a bearing well, but that's something we wouldn't advise doing.
So an improved bearing as well.
Yeah.
And it looks like we've got the same dual belt system.
Yeah, we've got the EBLT belts
and
the dual belts there, which are quite special. We've worked with chemists for over 3 years on the material it's made of.
And that's on the P8 as well, those belts.
Yeah.
Right. And then we've got a ceramic
brace, yeah.
Same material as the platter?
Yeah.
Okay. And then tell me about the Tonearm. The Tonearm looks brand new as well.
So an RB3000, so that's a new, we did 1000s and 2000s, and this is ultimately an evolution of what we've always done, because if you were to look at them, they would look kind of similar, but you know the bias adjustment is quite different. It's this little thing with tiny little holes in it to ultimately reduce its mass, but be a bit more impressive. And you know, all of the bearings and it's all done with such a tight tolerance that we don't even use any adhesives in any part of the process. It's all friction.
It's all friction put together. Wow. Yeah. And the cartridge is new too. This is we had an Affetta 2 that was on the P8, and now this is a new Affetta 3.
Affetta 3, yeah, that's right. And the primary difference is the Stylus Profile.
Okay.
So we've learnt a lot from the Aphelion, the daddy cartridge, and we've applied some of the lessons learned down the way, and we said we can make that better.
Great. So this table actually is leaving here after our Music Matters event. And we will get some of the first ones in though. We'll have a full comparison of the P8 to the P10, and we'll do a detailed dive on the P10 itself.
Yeah.
But I can't wait to hear it tonight. It should sound fantastic. And it's also got a really large external power supply, I noticed. So this is the external power supply. This looks like a Neo on steroids.
Yeah. Ultimately, it's the same engine that was, but we've ultimately restyled the case, and it's still got all the speed controls. So if someone is desperately concerned about that, they can use all the tools in their arsenal to adjust the speed of their specific 10, albeit that we put them through rigorous.
Yeah, we've got speed adjustment on the back, speed program switch. This is pretty stout though. This is much beyond the Neo that you get with the P8. We'll have a full comparison. The cool thing though is the way you've bundled the Affetta 3 with it though. Because that has gone up to $2,000 for just the Affetta 3.
Very nearly, that's right.
So the P10 is $56.95 without a cartridge. Then for another $1,000 more, you can get the Affetta 3. So you're saving $1,000 buying it as a package, and that will probably be the way that it's most popular.
I expect, yeah.
Can't wait to hear it. Bryce, thanks a bunch.
Wonderful.
Look forward to hearing it.
Yes, look forward to that.